Hello, my name is Kylie Howarth and I am the author and illustrator of Fish Kid and the Lizard Ninja. And this is Bo. Say hi. Hi. Okay, today we're going to draw another sea creature from Fish Kid and it's going to be a
crab.
A crab.
We're going to start straight away with our texture today. And my crab's going to be a bit of a funny shape. And if yours looks a bit more like a circle or a square, that's okay, because you can actually make a crab out of any shape. So the shape I draw my crabs are kind of curved on the top and then down, across and back up. It's a bit of a funny shape, so have a go. You can try an oval or a different shape if you like. Have a go, Bo. What's your shape going to look like?
Square, maybe.
Oh. In the middle of the page, so we've got room for his legs. Oh, that's going to be...
Little.
Oh, I like your shape. That's going to look good. Okay, so next we're going to give him some eyes. And crab's eyes kind of stick up on two little sticks. So we're going to draw a stick there and a stick there.
It's like you poked its eye and stuck something in and then put that eyeball on top of the stick.
Yeah, that's a bit gross, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then a big circle on top of each stick.
Oh, I'm running out of space.
That's okay. And another circle inside that circle for its eyeball, and we can colour that in. See? Circle inside the circle. And a circle inside the other circle. Colour it in. We've also got something under our paper, haven't we, Bo? Because if you're using a permanent marker, it can go through to the table, so it's good to lean on something. Okay, so that's his eyes. Our crab is now going to have some legs, and watch this how I draw the legs. We're going to put 3 on each side. We're going to go out, down, back up, and in. Quite wide because we've got more legs to fit in. That's good. Back up and in. And another one underneath. Out, down, up, in. Out, down, up, in. And we can squeeze one more in. Out, down, up, in.
Do one more leg.
You do one more leg.
And you.
Yeah, well, I'm going to do more, but on the other side now. So we're going to do another one over here.
Wait, Mum.
Out, down, up,
how much
in.
legs do they have?
I think crabs usually have 4 on each side, but we're just going to do 3. Because
Let's
this
do
is a
4.
character. You can do 4. You do 4. So I'm going to finish off the other legs on the other side. Out, down, up, in. Oh, good, Bo. Now you've got to start on the other side. Out, down, up, in. Finish all these legs. Okay.
I call this the tiny winkly leggy.
It's a very tiny leg. Now we're going to draw
And Mum, the
his
broken
nippers.
thingamabobbing. So
Yeah.
it's really broken.
It is a bit broken, that's okay. So he's got 2 big nippers at the top. So to draw his arms, we're going to draw one arm there,
I really like the shell.
another arm here. So that's the top of the arm. And then we're going to put the nippers on the top of that. If you run out of space, you can make them sort of angle inwards.
I actually really like this shape.
I like the square shape, it looks good. Okay, let's do the nippers on the top. So we're going to do a curve, a V, and then a curve. So we curved, we did a V in the middle, and then we curved back in. Good.
Whale tail.
It does look a bit like a whale tail. Same on the other side. So draw his arms, and make sure you leave room for those nippers. That's his arm, 2 lines. And then we're going to go curve, a V shape, and another curve back in.
That one's better.
That looks great.
There's
Okay.
like a whale tail.
Now we're going to make our crabs look happy or cranky today, do you think?
Cranky, like
Cranky crabs?
like they're getting a tap of cigar.
Well, the crab in Fish Kid is quite cranky. So let's go with cranky eyebrows. Cranky eyebrows are a line that angles inwards like that. How cranky does that look? Give your crab some cranky eyebrows. I want to see how cranky your square crab looks. That's it. Oh, big cranky eyebrows. Great. Okay, and guess what I like putting on my crabs?
Pen?
I like, guess
No,
what I
no,
like
no,
putting
no,
on-
no, no.
What?
Something on the shell.
Yes. I'm going to give him a moustache.
Do the moustache.
Crabs do have these funny lines on them. 2 lines there, 2 lines the other way.
I've never seen a crab with these tough funny lines.
And he needs a big cranky upside down smile, seeing as he's cranky. And then, oh, great job. He looks amazing. And now we're going to put some little dots
Mum,
on his arms. Yeah.
can I please colour this in?
Yeah, you can colour in his mouth. And then we're going to put some dots on his arms and just around the top of his shell as well. Dot, 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 dot. Little bit of texture. And there's our crab. While you finish your crab off, I'm going to read a few facts about crabs.
Mum, what if I was making it like look like this?
You can do that.
No, like this thing up there and this thing up there.
Oh, he would look very cranky. Okay, so the crab that's in Fish Kid is the Galapagos Sally Lightfoot crab. What a big name. The Galapagos Sally Lightfoot crabs are often bright red, standing out against the black volcanic rocks. They begin life dark brown coloured, and they become brighter and brighter every time they molt. So every time they get rid of one of their shells and get a bigger one, it gets brighter. They enjoy eating parasites off marine iguanas. Would you like to have parasites, little insects, for breakfast off a marine iguana?
Ew!
They are super fast and so agile they appear to walk on water. That's why they're called the Sally Lightfoot crab, because it almost looks like they're running across the water.
But are they?
Well, they appear to be walking on water. That means they're just going so fast. So they aren't actually walking on water, but it looks like it. Okay, finish off your crab and we'll show everybody our drawings. There's our crabs! I hope you guys have fun drawing your crabs too, and see you in the next video.